One of the questions we get asked all the time is how do I install a GMRS equipment to a CB antenna mount? So a lot of our mounts are specific to CB antennas and they'll have the standard half-inch hole. As you can see with this mount, it says a half-inch hole, but a NMO connection for GMRS or ham has this big 3/4 inch connection on it right there. Well, we have a very specific cable that's made. It's an NMO coax cable that's made specifically for GMRS applications. And the top of this connection, it's very simple. This just threads off, and this was made to mount in this half-inch hole. So it threads off. You just take the base, run it through, make sure everything looks proper on the top here, thread this in, and then snug it right up on the top of the mount. I like to make sure that the coax cable exits at a nice angle. Grab a wrench and then just lightly tighten this. And this is how you install an NMO coax cable onto a half-inch CB mount with a half-inch hole.